The brand new Tornador CLASSIC Z-010RS. The original cleaning gun, frequently copied but never equaled. Tried and tested for more than a decade, the Tornador tube technology ensures an ultrafine nebulization which keeps the moisture in the object to be cleaned to a minimum while cleaning continuously pore deep. With the new RS series, all Tornador guns are equipped with a built-in air regulator in the handle. The new regulator allows even more precise adjustment of the airflow. The new swivel air inlet offers more flexibility, and the Tornador guns can be put down without tipping over. With its new design and improved feel, the Tornador CLASSIC is back up to date. The user-friendly ergonomics ensure comfortable and safe operation. The new Tornador RS series, strongest performance and minimal consumption. Pore deep, thorough cleaning. Tornador RS. No compromises.